Upgrading to a Samsung Galaxy S24 for features like super night shooting and AI. If you're moving from a Motorola device, transferring data like contacts and SMS can be tricky. Let's explore the best way to transfer your data smoothly. Number 1. How to transfer data from Motorola to Samsung in one tap. Transferring data between Android phones is easier than ever. After getting your new Galaxy phone, use Mobican Transfer for mobile for a quick, smooth transfer. Step 1. Install and open the software on your computer. Connect both devices with USB cables. Step 2. Enable USB debugging on both phones to allow recognition. Step 3. Select the data types you need and click Start Copy to transfer files. Number 2. How to transfer from Motorola to Samsung via Android Backup and Restore. The previous method was direct transfer. Now, with Mobican Backup Manager for Android, you can back up data from Motorola to your computer and restore it to Samsung. Step 1. Backup Motorola data. Open the software, connect your Motorola via USB, and follow prompts to recognize it. Click Backup, select data types, choose a location, and tap Backup. Unplug when done. Step 2. Restore Motorola backup to Galaxy. Follow similar operations to get Samsung linked and recognized. Then, click the Restore button from the main interface to move on. Choose the backup files as Contacts to restore from and press the Restore button again to move the data from your computer to Samsung. Soon, you'll be good to go. Number 3. How to Smart Switch Motorola to Samsung Galaxy. Install Smart Switch on both devices. On Samsung, go to Smart Switch, select Bring Data from Old Device and Receive Data. Choose Galaxy or Android, then Wireless or Cable. Select data types and start. Number 4. How to make Motorola to Samsung transfer by Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on both devices. Make one discoverable and connect with the passkey. Select data, for example, photos on Motorola, tap Share, choose Bluetooth, and select the Samsung phone. Data will transfer shortly. Number 5. How to migrate from Motorola to Samsung using Google Drive. Download and install Google Drive on both devices. Open the app on Motorola and upload files by selecting the plus icon and upload. Then, open Google Drive on Samsung and download the uploaded files. Number 6. How to transfer files from Motorola to Samsung via SD card. Insert SD card in Motorola. Move data. Use a file manager to the card. Eject SD card. Go to Settings, Storage SD card and unmount. Insert SD card in Samsung. Transfer data. Move files from the card.